Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Energy costs are rising across the entire economy, and we need to find the short-run impact fast. Let's break this down right now. First, think about what happens when energy prices spike for everyone. Since energy is a key input for almost all production, higher costs mean it is more expensive to produce goods. In our economic model, this massive increase in production costs causes the short-run aggregate supply curve to shift to the left. This movement represents a decrease in the total supply available. As the supply curve shifts left, the price level rises and output falls. Real GDP decreases, making option D the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.